Sudah isi.
Ya. Nggak bisa itu, Bang.
Bentuknya ya, Mas? Awalnya aja deh itu ya. Karena udah awal gitu.
semuanya, apakah suara saya terdengar?
Terdengar, Mbak.
Ya, baik. Selamat siang semuanya, saya Azalia Putri dari PT Plasma Unity Global. Pada hari ini kami akan memberikan webinar dan juga kami juga turut mengundang dari pihak Biotech, yaitu Pak Patrick. Mr. Patrick, hello, can you hear my voice? Hello, Mr. Patrick.
Hello, good morning. Can you hear us?
Hello,
Hello, can you
can
hear
you
us?
hear my voice?
Yes.
Oh yeah, yes, I can hear you also.
Perfect.
So probably
Good morning.
before,
Morning.
okay, thank you very much. Probably before we did our presentation, my friends Oscar will present something about Plasma Unitech Global first, and then after that, we will give the time for you to present the Pan Biotech products. Is it okay?
Sure, thanks a lot.
Okay.
Ya, belum mulai.
Please, Oscar.
Baik, selamat siang Bapak Ibu, rekan-rekan semuanya. Kita mulai di 14.10, 3 menit lagi sambil menunggu peserta lainnya yang sepertinya masih akan bergabung di webinar kita, jadi harap ditunggu. Mohon maaf, tadi kami memiliki sedikit kendala, jadi terpaksa kami harus sedikit menunda mulainya acara. Nah, ini sudah semakin banyak membutuhkan waktu untuk panitia Ya baik, Bapak Ibu dan rekan-rekan seluruh peserta yang bergabung melalui Zoom meeting, kami harapkan untuk dapat tetap menyalakan videonya, namun selama jalannya acara mohon untuk menonaktifkan audio. Nah, jadi Bapak Ibu diperkenankan untuk menyalakan videonya agar kita semua bisa saling melihat senyumnya seluruh peserta. Jadi kami persilakan untuk start videonya. Tapi untuk audio mohon untuk dinonaktifkan atau diganti pada mode mute. Terima kasih.
Asal di situ semua. Coba. Oh iya, liquid return ada sendiri. Oh, yang kita tambahin teh Adri. Pas boxnya waktu kemarin. Ada di lantai 2 liquid, ada ya benar itu solid dong.
Baik.
Solid semua.
Zoom meeting atas nama, mohon maaf jika salah memanggil, Ibu Eldi Soraya, mohon untuk di mute. Ya baik, terima kasih. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang Bapak Ibu dan rekan-rekan seluruh peserta. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Om Swastiastu. Selamat datang, saya ucapkan di webinar kita pada siang hari ini yang kita angkat temanya berjudul Cell Culture Solution and Partner for Your Research and Industry. Nah, sebelumnya perkenalkan saya Oscar dari PT Plasma Unitech Global, dan di sini saya juga memiliki partner pada webinar siang hari ini. Boleh diperkenalkan?
Spesialis Plasma Unitech Global.
Ya, jadi saya dan Kak Azel ini yang akan memandu jalannya webinar kita pada siang hari ini. Nah, Bapak Ibu, kami dari penyelenggara PT Plasma Unitech Global ini telah berdiri sejak tahun 2017, dan tim PT Plasma ini sudah lebih dari 20 tahun berpengalaman di bidang sales dan marketing untuk produk-produk life science secara umum. Plasma Unitech Global ini
Aku memang belum beruntung.
Selamat siang. Ada akun yang bernama Mamik Damayanti, boleh mohon untuk di-mute videonya, audionya maksud saya. Untuk akun yang bernama Mamik Damayanti, Ibu Mamik Damayanti, mohon untuk di-mute videonya, audionya maksud saya. Ya, jadi PT Plasma Unitech Global ini membawa visi sebagai perusahaan yang memimpin di bidangnya dan membawa pelanggan atau customer ini itu satu langkah untuk mencapai harapan ataupun goalnya seperti itu. Nah, jadi Bapak Ibu, apabila Bapak Ibu memiliki pertanyaan terkait penelitian atau kegiatan di industri, Bapak Ibu boleh bertanya kepada tim kami, dan kami juga akan sering mengadakan webinar-webinar seperti ini. Nah, jadi Bapak Ibu akan mungkin lebih banyak menerima informasi mengenai teknologi terkini dari PT Plasma Unitech Global. Nah, PT Plasma Unitech Global ini berlokasi di Rukan Grand Orchard Blok GOS B22, yaitu di Jalan Terusan Kelapa Hibrida, Jakarta Utara. Nah, Bapak Ibu dan seluruh rekan-rekan peserta boleh mencatat kontak yang tertera pada layar. Di sini ada nomor telepon dan juga email. Dan jangan lupa untuk kunjungi website kami di www.plasmaunitech.com. Nah, karena kenapa kontak ini penting untuk dicatat atau di-save, karena khusus untuk seluruh peserta yang bergabung pada siang hari ini, kami akan memberikan penawaran spesial. Nah, karena kami di sini mengadakan webinar mengajak partner kami langsung dari prinsipal, yaitu Panbiotech. Nah, jadi kami akan memberikan penawaran spesial buat seluruh peserta, akan mendapatkan diskon sebesar 25%. Nah, ini hanya valid sampai tanggal 20 Desember 2020 untuk seluruh produk-produk Panbiotech. Baik, nah sebagai perusahaan distributor, kami PT Plasma Unitech Global mengageni beberapa brand-brand ternama untuk tadi kegiatan life science secara umum. Di antaranya ada Reagen Jenny, Mini PCR, NES, Gloveon, Panbiotech, Denatrasia, Cisco Research Laboratories, Logos Biosystem, dan juga Labtron ataupun Labdas. Dari brand-brand yang tadi saya sebutkan, yang pertama diantaranya Denatrasia. Denatrasia ini merupakan kit DNA tracer yang biasanya digunakan untuk bidang bioteknologi untuk membantu kegiatan QC di industri seperti itu. Nah, selain itu kami juga mengageni brand Mini PCR, di mana Mini PCR ini merupakan teknologi yang dikembangkan untuk PCR ini yang tadinya mungkin dirasa mahal, susah untuk dilakukan. Nah, sekarang jadi lebih bisa diakses dengan mudah oleh siapapun, dimanapun, dan kapanpun. Seperti itu. Kami juga mengageni brand NES. yang sudah tersertifikasi ISO dan juga FDA. NES ini manufakturnya di China maksud saya, dengan teknologi Amerika, dan menawarkan lebih dari 200 jenis plastikware yang dapat digunakan untuk kegiatan-kegiatan seperti cell culture, molekular biologi, immunoassay, maupun penyimpanan dan penanganan liquid-liquid tertentu, bahan-bahan kimia tertentu. Nah, selain itu, kami juga mengageni Panbiotek, di mana Panbiotek ini menawarkan serum, cell culture media, salt solutions, dan antibiotik. Nah, Panbiotek ini manufakturnya berada di Jerman. Selain itu, kami juga ada Logos Biosystem. Logos Biosystem ini berasal dari Korea Selatan, dan Logos Biosystem ini merupakan teknologi yang menawarkan automated cell counting, digital cell imaging, tissue clearing, and 3D imaging. Nah, kalau Bapak Ibu juga mencari bahan-bahan kimia atau reagen-reagen, secara umum kami menyediakan Cisco Research Laboratories atau SRL yang berasal dari India, dan ini dapat menyediakan beragam bahan-bahan kimia dan juga atau reagen-reagen yang biasa dibutuhkan untuk general laboratorium. Nah, untuk selanjutnya kami juga mengageni reagen Jenny. Reagen Jenny ini merupakan premium brand yang berasal dari UK. Jenny, Assay Jenny, Antibody Jenny, dan ELISA Jenny. Nah, ini sesuai metode yang digunakan. Selain itu, kami juga mengageni Labtron. Nah, Labtron atau LabDesk ini menyediakan berbagai macam peralatan untuk laboratorium secara umum juga. Nah, seperti itu Bapak Ibu, ini merupakan gambaran dari produk-produk yang diageni oleh PT Plasma United Global. Nah, dari produk-produk yang sudah saya jelaskan tadi, secara khusus PT Plasma United Global ini bisa mendukung atau mensupport untuk kegiatan-kegiatan yang berkaitan dengan cell bio and bioprocess, genomics, general lab, applied science, maupun proteomik. Nah, PT Plasma United Global ini sudah memiliki area market share yang 70% berpusat di Pulau Jawa, dan kami juga sudah mengembangkan di pulau-pulau di luar Jawa sebanyak 30% seperti di Pulau Bali, Papua, Sulawesi, Sumatera, dan Kalimantan. Customer-customer kami diantaranya seperti institusi-institusi pendidikan seperti Universitas Indonesia, ITB, UPI, Universitas Sriwijaya. Selain itu institusi penelitian seperti Pusat Penelitian Indonesia atau LIPI, dan juga Kementerian Kesehatan Republik Indonesia. Selain itu, kami juga bekerja sama baik dengan beberapa institusi swasta seperti industri-industri, diantaranya Danone, Garuda Food, Otsuka, industri farmasi seperti Kalbe, Dexa, Bio Farma, Capri Farmindo, dan ini salah satu industri yang bergerak di bidang agribisnis, yaitu PT Sinarmas. Nah, jadi dari profil-profil customer kami diantaranya bergerak di bidang farmasetikal, farmasi, stem cell, dan juga pengembangan vaksin. Kami juga dapat mendukung beberapa kebutuhan di rumah sakit seperti, dan diantaranya rumah sakit yang sudah bekerja sama baik dengan kami, seperti RSCM, Rumah Sakit Darmais, Hasan Sadikin, dan sebagainya. Nah, Bapak Ibu, tanpa berlama-lama lagi, kami akan memulai perbincangan dengan pembicara, pemaparan materi maksud saya, dari Panbiotek. Nah, Panbiotek ini berasal dari Jermani, jadi pembicaranya ini juga jauh-jauh dari Jerman. Mungkin saya langsung saja kembalikan ke Kak Azel untuk dapat memandu pemaparan materi pada siang hari ini. Dipersilakan Kak Azel.
Iya, terima kasih banyak Oscar atas presentasi tentang Plasma United Global-nya tadi. Selanjutnya, saya akan memperkenalkan narasumber kita pada hari ini, yaitu terdapat Mr. Valentin Kreb sebagai International Area Manager dari Pan Biotech, dan juga ada Mr. Patrick Frick sebagai International Sales Director. Mengingatkan kembali, bagi peserta yang memiliki pertanyaan nanti saat terjadi atau jalannya presentasi, mohon untuk mengajukan pertanyaannya pada kolom komentar. Dan semua pertanyaannya nanti akan kami jawab pada sesi Q&A di akhir presentasi. So now introduce our speakers for today's webinar and also Mr. Patrick Frick as an International Sales Director. Hello, Mr. Kreb and Mr. Patrick.
Good morning.
Oh yeah, good morning there. Yeah, it's already afternoon here.
So good afternoon.
Yeah. So I already introduced both of you as a speaker for today's webinar, and also we already said that if this audience have some questions, they can type the questions in the chat box, and there will be a Q&A session in the end of the presentation, right?
So first of all, thanks a lot for giving us the opportunity to present Pan Biotech and share some more information about our company and our strength. Maybe one question, is it also possible that I can share my desktop?
Yes, of course. I think one of our engineer already provide that thing. You can click share screen. Can you?
I think, yes, it should work.
Works, okay.
Just a quick question, can you see the new background?
Yes, we can see.
Perfect, thanks a lot.
Yes.
So to introduce the Pan Group, maybe also a few words to myself at the beginning. My name is Patrick and I'm in charge of the international sales for the company Pan Biotech. I'm working with the company for a little bit more than 5 years now. And today with me, I have my colleague Valentin, and he will also introduce quickly.
Hello, my name is Valentin Knapp. I'm in the company for a little bit over 1.5 years, and I'm in the foreign department and being responsible for like partnering with distributors and taking care of international shipments and international relationships.
Exactly. So if you have any questions afterwards in regards to export, Valentin will be the best person to ask. To introduce the company Pan a little bit more detailed, let me get you a quick and fast overview about some key facts about the company. The company itself is based approximately 1.5 hours from Munich. So we are located in the down southern part of Germany, very close to the border to Austria and Czech Republic, and which is a very important fact for us because we have a quite quick opportunity to provide our goods to the international airport, starting from Munich. And further, we have still the opportunity to grow very widely within the next years. Our company itself is a mid-sized company, I would say. We have approximately 60 people working for Pan. You can nearly split them 50% working in the production and lab team, and the other 30 people are often working in the back office and customer service and sales department. Currently, we can say that apart from academia, we are providing our products to the industry, but also to pharmaceutical partners, and especially the industry the pharmaceutical and industry partners, they have increased quite significantly the last 3 to 4 years, because we see that they are slowly starting to downstream a few processes, and this is where we can really support them as well. As you've already seen in the quick overview provided from Oscar, we do have a quite broad portfolio for cell culture products, but this is only one part of our products. Coming back and giving you a little bit more information about the history. As mentioned, we are in the market for more than 30 years now, and we have slowly developed more and more important facts that supported our business to grow and have a more stable business relation. For example, one very important fact is our ISO certification. Apart from the 9001, we do also have the 13485, which is the medical product. So we do also provide CE labeled products, which is quite significant and important for industry partners. And as you can also see, we have really grown quite a lot in the past years. So for example, in the year 2012, which was one of our best years by then, we had an annual sales approximately of 4 million euros. And only 2 years back, we had our best year so far, but we have already increased our sales for 3 times, so more than 12 million euros. And also some key facts where you can see that we are really trying to improve our international business and development. For example, at the moment, we do have around 45 distributors and partners in more than 40 countries. So we are very happy to cooperate also with Plasma Unitec, because the Indonesian market so far was quite unknown for us, and we are more than happy to start the new opportunity as well. Giving you some more feedback about the organization. PAN, as a group, we have currently 3 different companies, where you can see that we have separated them a little bit, and simply the reason is we are having different strength for each company. So the original company, or the main company, basically was still is the PAN Biotech, which has all the development and all the long-term information regarding the cell culture products. And including the cell culture, we have the serum-free systems, media, reagents, buffer, and different types of media we can really provide. While we made the decision to make a separation about the products for Sera business, because we see that especially industry partners are asking for 2 different productions, that no media does get in touch with animal products. So this is why we decided to make a split and also introduce our PAN Serotec. And the latest company we found was the PAN Celtec, as we are currently building a completely new GMP facility. This will be the company that will specialize on cell therapy, pharmaceutical and GMP partners. And we have already implemented and started a few products. For example, our VTM media, which is currently quite important media we offer, because it's used for the COVID kits. So maybe my colleague will now share a few more information with you.
Exactly. So, as Patrick already said, we are certified in ISO 9001, which is a general certification, and also ISO 13485, which is the certification for medical devices. We have our own R&D service or R&D department for more than 30 years. So we are really independent in researching and also developing new products or like modifying our products in the coming years. So we are really independent in that way. We are now registered by the FDA, which was just recently, I think, the last few months we got registered. So we can also grow into different market areas like the US. Yeah, our raw materials are traceable and are according to the highest standards. So we can trace our products or the raw materials from where the products are made of. So exactly, our rooms or our filling rooms are according to GMP criteria. So it's really one of the highest standards for our products to be in these rooms. We support our distributors and customers in also regulatory aspects like customs clearance and so on. And we are audited regularly also by independent companies which do certifications like the ISO certificate, but also by a lot of different biotech and pharma companies. So our strengths are our research, as I already said. We have our own R&D department. So since that, we already developed and introduced new products in, like the serum-free product range, and already over 7,000 international publications were made with our PAN products. So this is also really good feedback to see that our products are used for international research, and also to see they are in the press and recognized worldwide. Another strength of ours is the distribution. As Patrick already said, we currently have around 45 to 50 distributors worldwide, serving more than 40 countries. So we are operating worldwide, especially in Asia and Europe. Our products are made in Germany, and this is well recognized all over the world. So we are really proud of this. Our production is, as I just said, made in Germany. We are certified by ISO. We are FDA registered, and we're currently building up a new GMP factory line, which is also a huge step into the future. Furthermore, we are offering scale-up programs for building a new company and like helping companies to reach the goal to develop new products. And to do that, we are offering help from the very beginning, from the idea to maybe a new future company. And also, what's really important for us is the environmental aspect. This is why we introduced a recycling program currently available in Germany. So we take back the empty bottles, which are from our products, take them back, and we take care of the recycling so that new material or new plastic waste is avoided by recycling our bottles to make new products out of it. Our product portfolio is mainly or especially media for all different kinds of cell lines. But on the other hand, we are still offering or selling a lot of serum products. As I already said, the origin or the origin of the raw material is traceable. So we do have a history for each product. Where does the raw material come from? How was it produced? And so this is very important for our customers and also for us. We offer a lot of different other products like reagents, stem cell media, and also serum-free media or serum-free systems, which are really important for the future, as serum is still used. We see that a lot of our customers try or are currently trying to switch to serum-free media as it is chemically defined, and for example, lot testing like for the serum is not necessary anymore because it's chemically defined and has the characteristics. So there is no difference between the lots anymore, which is really important for like manufacturing, as you always have the certain and the highest quality standards and no differences in productions. Mostly we do sell our products internationally via distributors, but we also have our own e-shop, especially our customers in Germany in the academic are ordering via our online shop. Our scale-up program was just introduced recently, so we have our own website about this, as this can be really important for smaller companies or even individuals who are just having an idea or having in development and needing a partner who is able to offer them help in research or help in supply or help in storage or developing new products. So this is just the beginning of maybe really great collaborations with new and unknown companies or individuals yet. As I said, our serum-free systems or serum replacement is a big part of our company. So we took that out of our main website to introduce or to give an overview of what we are currently offering for serum-free products and serum replacement. We also have a corporate overview where you can see Patrick also introduced it before. The PAN group is divided into different companies, and there you can have an overview over the whole PAN group or corporation. And lastly, sustainability. As I said, we are really trying to do our best for the environmental impact. and so we are currently doing a few different types or a few different projects for more sustainability in the cell culture field. As I said, we offer serum or serum-free products, media, the supplements, and so on. So we have a wide range of products where you can choose from and to see what's best for your research or product development. So thank you for hearing us on our company introduction. And as Alea said, maybe if you have some questions, you're free to ask.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe one more feedback, because as PanBiotech is still fairly unknown in your market. If you ask yourself, why would you choose PanBiotech, or why should you try our media or products? In general, there's really 2 or 3 key facts that I really want to emphasize. If you would ask me in comparison to other suppliers like Gipco, Thermo, or the big global players, let's call them like this, our strength is really the flexibility that we are a mid-sized company, and we are more interested in offering a solution instead of just selling products, because for us the customer comes first. And as Valentin really informed you, whenever you have any issues afterwards, either our distributor like Plasma Unitec or we ourselves, we will always be reachable for you. So instead of having I missed the word, a call center, you can always reach us personally. So you have the opportunity to get somebody from PanBiotech asking you a question and getting a reply. So this is really something that makes us quite unique in the market, by not just selling the products, but looking and offering solutions. And if you would ask me in comparison, yes, we are better than other suppliers, simply because we are really working for the customer and looking for the solution. Thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you very much for the excellent presentation for Mr. Krebs as also Mr. Patrick. So now we have a question.
Yes. So maybe I will start with the first question.
Yes.
Maybe a quick note, if you do have technical questions, may I ask you to send them to Plasma Unitec, that we can...
From Mr. Guru.
Because we may also double check with our technical team and lab team to provide you the best feedback on product specific inquiries. But maybe to get you the answer on the first question that has been asked, have your products been used by broad research and published in many reputed journals? Certainly, yes. Just recently, we have even been published in one of the Chinese also vaccine and COVID developments. They have used one of our products from the serum portfolio, and this is just one of the latest I have in mind. But also the Swiss market, for example, has just 2 or 3 weeks ago published a very important publication in the performance of our products using Pansera ES, with where they have been, where they made some tests on stem cell cells, and it performed simply very, very good. We are currently also trying to update all the publications on our web shop. So you go, not just the web shop, but on our homepage, that you can even see the product RPMI, DMEM, and below you will find the link to the publications.
Yeah, all right. Sorry, Frick. I will continue this discussion. Maybe we directly to the next question. Is serum-free media need to use coated fibronation vessel? Is there any method to make it coated free?
Honestly, this would be one question that I may double check with my colleague from the technical part, because I do not really have the technical background, to be honest, and to provide you the correct answer, I prefer to simply ask our scientists in the lab.
And again, if you do have a question afterwards, or a technical or a product specific question, you can send an email to Plasma Unitec. They will forward it to us, and we will get back to you with the reply from our lab team or research team to be sure to give you the correct answer. Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much for Mr. Krabs and also Mr. Patrick for the presentation and also for the answer. Probably before we finish our presentation or webinars, I will tell the summary of the presentation in Bahasa. Is it okay? Ya, oke. Jadi untuk summary ataupun untuk ringkasan webinar kita pada hari ini, saya akan menyampaikan bahwa Panbiotek ini merupakan perusahaan yang telah menyediakan produk mengenai sel kultur dengan produk yang inovatif dan juga berkualitas. Panbiotek ini juga mengkhususkan diri dalam pembuatan berbagai produk seperti serum, media, serum free media, reagen, bahan biologis, dan lain sebagainya. Lalu juga didukung oleh tim yang sangat kompeten dan juga sangat terampil untuk menghasilkan produk-produk yang juga berkualitas. Selain itu juga apabila terdapat kebutuhan khusus dari Bapak ataupun Ibu, dapat dikustomisasi atau di-customize sesuai dengan kebutuhan Bapak ataupun Ibu. Jadi jangan ragu untuk menghubungi kami sebagai PT Plasma Unitec Global sebagai distributor resminya, ataupun juga dapat menghubungi langsung ke Panbioteknya. Lalu untuk berbagai pihak pabrik yang ataupun Panbiotek juga melaksanakan kegiatan produksi kan ya untuk media, kultur, dan lain sebagainya. Mereka juga sangat memperhatikan lingkungan dengan adanya kegiatan recycle botolnya tadi. Jadi memang kalau untuk botol yang sudah tidak dipakai itu dapat dikembalikan lagi ke pabrik Panbioteknya, dan Panbiotek akan melakukan recycling botol-botol plastik tersebut seperti itu. Nah, mungkin untuk pertanyaan yang tadi belum dijawab, itu akan kami jawab melalui email, by email, dan akan kami komunikasikan juga dengan pihak technical support dari pihak Panbioteknya lagi. Okay, thank you very much once again for Mr. Patrick and also Mr. Krebs for the presentation for today's webinar. And also for the audience, thank you very much. But unfortunately, that's all the time we have for the question and answer session and also for the presentation. And for the remaining questions that weren't answered during the live Q&A session will be followed up by email. So thank you very much for the time and joining our webinars today.
Thank you. Thanks.
Kak Zel, mungkin boleh dibantu untuk slide penutupnya?
Oh iya, sebentar.
di share screen kembali.
Apakah sudah
Iya.
terlihat?
Bisa di slideshow, Kak Zel?
Oh iya, sebentar.
Slideshow. Nah, ya Bapak Ibu, sebelum kita siang hari ini, jadi sekali lagi saya sampaikan bahwa kami memberikan special offer atau penawaran spesial berupa diskon sebesar 25% yang berlaku hingga 20 Desember 2020 untuk seluruh produk Panbiotek. Nah, jadi Bapak Ibu yang membutuhkan media dan banyak untuk kultur sel secara pihak kami seperti itu. Next slide. Ya, Bapak Ibu dan seluruh rekan-rekan peserta, kami juga mengikuti digital business networking yang diadakan oleh Lab Indonesia di Digital Business Networking pada dari jam 10 sampai jam 6 sore. Boleh mengunjungi booth kami dengan mengisi link registrasi yang tertera di layar. Nah, tim kami juga mungkin bisa menuliskan link tersebut di kolom chat.
Kayaknya masih Pak Syahrul Pak di dalam. Iya.
Nah, kita kekurangan yang masih kami alami siang hari ini. Untuk Bapak Ibu, oh ya satu lagi terlupa, Kak Zel mungkin bisa share screen sekali lagi untuk mengunjungi website Panbiotek supaya Bapak Ibu bisa lebih ingin melihat lagi produk-produk yang ditawarkan oleh Panbiotek, dapat melihat websitenya. Maksud saya yang Google Chrome-nya.
Oh, sebentar. Maaf.
Iya. Jadi websitenya itu, nah ini dia websitenya di panstripbiotech.de. Nah, jangan lupa juga untuk mengunjungi Instagram kami untuk mengikuti update-update berikutnya, yaitu di pt.plasma-unitek global. Nah, di sini kami memberikan update-update mengenai info webinar maupun mengenai info-info teknologi terbaru yang sekiranya dapat membantu kegiatan Bapak Ibu di bidang life science seperti itu. Sekali lagi terima kasih atas waktu dan kehadiran partisipasi perjumpaan kita. Sampai ketemu di acara webinar kita berikutnya dan sampai ketemu di kesempatan berikutnya. Selamat sore semuanya. Terima kasih.
Selamat sore.
Terima kasih.